Today, I'm going to talk about a question that I get asked a lot. Can you use a name as a trademark? I'm Angela Langlot's business and trademark law attorney, and I go live here every day to talk about trademark law. And today I want to talk about names as trademarks. So here's an example. You can see here, Napoleon Fancy Smoked Mussels. And you can see the name Napoleon is being used as a trademark for these tinned or canned, however you want to call them. If you're in Britain, they call them tinned. I call them canned. Mussels, M-U-S-S-E-L, not M-U-S-C-L-E-S, okay? Yes, the answer is, as I've said before, anything can serve as a trademark so long as it distinguishes your goods and services from other people's goods and services. So yes, of course, we can use a name as a trademark. You can use your name, you can use a made-up name. So for example, I have a friend, his name is Manuel. He sells coffee beverages that he makes, and they're like prepared coffee beverages. It's actually called cortado, and he sells those under the trademark Manny's. We just applied for the trademark for Manny's for coffee beverages. So yes, of course, you can have a name serve as a trademark. What are some other examples? Well, how about a really famous one? Ford for cars. That is absolutely a very valuable trademark. Now, can you use your name as a trademark if it conflicts with a trademark that's already out there? In other words, do you have the right to use a name just because it's yours, even if it conflicts with something that's already out there? Well, the answer, of course, is no. I don't care if your name is Ford, your last name or your first name, you cannot use the word Ford for trademarks for automobiles. Why? Because there's already a Ford automobiles out there. And if we allowed your trademark registration to issue, it would confuse everybody else out there, all the consumers, into thinking that your cars and the Ford cars came from the same place. That's not allowed. So as long as there is no reason why anyone would be confused by the issuance of your trademark registration, yes, you can use your name or somebody else's name or anybody's name as a trademark. If it's a really distinctive name, like first name, last name, you have to get somebody's permission. There's a way to do that. See me if you want to ask me questions about that. But the short answer is yes, as long as it's not confusingly similar, you can use the name as a trademark. I'm Angela Langlotz, and I go live here on weekdays to talk about trademark and copyright law and anything else I feel like rolling out there. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net and also on Facebook at Facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor. If you like my Facebook page, you'll be notified every time I go live, and you can ask me trademark questions via the message feature on that page.